Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Eden, aka the Lady in Red, coming back at you with another video for today. Today's video I'm so excited about. It is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm sure that most of you already know, but if not, we're going to be unboxing Boxycharm. It's very exciting. Yeah, so if you guys want to see what I got in this month's box, then please keep watching. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. Basically, it is $25 for the base box, and you get 5 full-size products in your box. The products are always pretty awesome, to be honest. I have not gotten a box that I didn't like. The subscription, you could pay it monthly, you could pay it in 6 months, and it's worth every penny in my opinion. I love getting my Boxycharm. So we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Sorry, I'm like using my scissors here, and it is closed, so this will be my first time looking at this box. Awesome! Alrighty, so let's see what we've got. Let's dive in. Okay, so this, every month there's a theme for the box. So this month's theme is Fresh Start. Isn't that awesome? Because I think we all need a fresh start after 2020 has been terrible. So hopefully fresh start 2021, fresh box. Let's get into it. So cute. Now they also give these cards which describe your box and the prices of everything, so I think that's awesome because you could see right there that one item is over $25. And my variation is C21010005-BA. They've been getting crazy with the variations. It used to be like 1 to 75. Now there's letters, numbers, your social security, I don't know. But anywho. Alrighty, so diving into the first item is going to be the Bali Balm Sweet Orange Lip Balm. Very nice. We can always use a lip balm. It's winter time, ladies. You know that the lips could get a little dry, so that's pretty awesome. Let's open it up. And I did minimal makeup today so that I can use some of these products, show you guys, so you could see that they're actually on my face and working. Alrighty, so it comes in a cute little squeezy tube, and it is sweet orange and coconut, which are two very beautiful scents and flavors that I love. I love coconut, so let's see. I'm just gonna squeeze a little onto my finger. Oh, okay, so it comes out a little thick. It smells like coconut right off the bat. So nice. And I'm just dabbing a little on. Really nice. Not sticky at all. This will be a really nice lip moisturizer, so definitely loving that. The next thing we have is the Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Now, you guys know eye cream is important, especially, you know, you want to get those fine lines and wrinkles all filled, and anybody who is, you know, in their late 20s, early 30s, they always say like skincare is super important, so an eye cream is definitely awesome. Now obviously I can't test the eye cream because it takes like 3 weeks to see results, but I will definitely keep you guys updated on the Dr. Brandt eye cream. And I'm sorry, this eye cream is worth $82. So you know, $82. So therefore, you know right there, that $25 price tag is worth it with one product. And the lip gloss, let me just go back and tell you guys how much the lip gloss was. It was, the Bali Balm was $33 for a lip gloss. Now, you're obviously not going to buy a $33 chapstick normally, or at least I wouldn't. So to have this box, it shows you different products. I love it. I think it's so cool. The next thing here was actually my choice item. So every month, if you have a base box subscription, you can choose one item. So I actually chose this. It's a hyaluronic acid toner. And as you know, hyaluronic acid is very important, plumps the skin, fills the wrinkles, keeps you youthful. And this has hyaluronic acid, Brazil nut, and it is vitamin B. It looks like a very promising product. It is a rejuvenating micellar water and toner, so I'm super excited to try to use this. I love a good micellar water, and honestly, it looks so promising, full size. Let's give it a smell. It smells good, not too strong, nothing like a crazy alcohol scent. So I'm very excited about that. Let's see what we got next. Okay, so the next thing we have is a Ciate London Velvet palette. That looks beautiful. Let's open it up. But honestly, can't go wrong with Ciate London. It's a great product. Great. They always have promising eyeshadows. I've found them to be very blendable and pigmented, so we'll see how it is. If I can open the box. The Avant Skincare Micellar Water is worth $90. So, right there, 90 bucks for micellar water. You're getting it for 25, so definitely worth it. I'm still over here trying to open this freaking eyeshadow palette. They got this eyeshadow palette in like Fort Knox over here. Okay, there we go. Alrighty. So yep, the next thing we have is this Ciate London eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful packaging. This is the Velvet palette. Honestly, it's like a matte, so luxe. Very, very nice. Let's open it up and see. Ooh, gorgeous colors. Very, very pretty. We have some beautiful shimmers in there. We have some gorgeous semi-mattes. I really like this. Let's pop some colors in and see what we can get going here. I'm going to just put a little eye look together really quick. So let's see how it goes. I'm using the Luxie brushes. I actually got these in my last Boxycharm, so that was so worth it because a brush set can run you, you know, over $100 alone. So I think I'm gonna pop this nice little warm rosy nude color right here in the crease. I'm literally just throwing together a simple eye look just so we can see. So I'm just popping them in the crease. It's like a nice warm nude with a hint of pink, which I really like because for my skin tone, the pinks really stand out. And then I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm just going to put this nice little gold champagne-y color right here. If you could see that, I'm gonna pop that bad boy right in the center. These eyeshadows are super creamy. Beautiful color payoff. And I just wanted to show you how pigmented this is. Honestly, so gorgeous. And yeah, it looks so beautiful and it literally took me 10 seconds to put that together. And I'm just gonna pop in one last color just to give it some dimension. I'm gonna use this like reddish brown right here. And I'm literally just throwing it in the corner. Windshield wiper and a little V shape right there. Just right in the corner, just to give some lift and some dimension. Honestly, look at how beautiful that is. So simple. I'm actually going to use the same matte color and just put a little underneath. And I'm just going to blend it out slightly. So gorgeous. Just blend it up a little.
And it literally changes your whole look just by using a little
Bit of eyeshadow. So pretty.
They also it also has
This beautiful like champagne light color right here. I think I'm gonna just pop that in the inner corner just to give it a little more depth.
Wow, that's so pretty. These are so creamy too. I am so impressed.
I'm gonna put a little under my brow bone. Just highlight it a little bit. And that is gorgeous, guys. Look at that gorgeous eye look. I'm actually going to finish up the eye look just so you guys can see the full effect of it, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I just popped on a little bit of liner and some lashes. This is the Kat Von D liner and Huda Beauty lashes, in case anybody wanted to check them out. I can link them. And yeah, I think with this eye look, this palette, and these lashes literally look so beautiful. And it was so simple to do. It took me less than 10 minutes, and it is such a beautiful look. And then there's one more thing in the box, which is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Gel Moisturizer, which I'm super excited about because honestly, I love a good moisturizer and my skin is very dry, as you guys know, so I'm going to go ahead, open it up, and we'll see how it is.
Wow guys, this is
Literally so luxe. Glass jar. Pharmacy always has
gorgeous packaging. I've used their products before. I love their
honeybee face
wash. It's so gentle. This is really, really nice, guys. It is oil-free with moringa and papaya.
Wow. Smells so good. Like, it smells like lime and
orange, maybe? So fresh. Honestly, like, look at how much product you get as well. It's way, 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 way worth it.
We're just gonna close it back up. And my fingers obviously are a little dirty
from the makeup, so I don't want to dunk my hand in the product, but
I will definitely keep you updated. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous jar from Pharmacy. Can't wait to try that out. So excited. Guys, honestly, Boxycharm, it sells itself. That moisturizer alone, let me let you know how much that was. That moisturizer
alone was $38. $38 for, and it comes in a beautiful box. Literally, you can't go wrong with Boxycharm. So what I'm gonna do now
is total up everything and let you know how much this awesome box was worth. So the grand total of everything in this box was $253. $253 for $25. If that is not a steal, I don't know what is.
Honestly, run to the Boxycharm
website. That doesn't even make sense, but go click as fast as you can. Get on there. 25 bucks. There's actually two other options you can do as well, which I didn't talk about, but I'll mention it now. The first one is you can upgrade every 3 months to Boxy Luxe, which I also do. So instead of paying 25, I think you pay an extra 20, and it's like an upgraded box. So you get more products. I think it's 8 products instead of 5. And there are lifestyle products as well. So one time I got a Swell water bottle, like a essential oil diffuser, face masks, like different things like that. And it's really nice.
And then the other
option is the Boxy Luxe, which is $35 subscription. And I think you get 6 or 7 full-size products. So I've seen variations where the Boxy Premium gets like Fenty, different things like that. So if you are in the market for new makeup and you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars, I absolutely say go for the Boxycharm. At least try out the base box, see how you like it. I've been getting it since the beginning of the quarantine
times, so probably like
April or May, and I've loved every single box. I've gotten eyeshadow palettes, I've gotten lipsticks, I've gotten I've gotten Natasha Denona, I've gotten Fenty, I've gotten Kat Von D, like just awesome products for $25. So yeah, definitely check that out. And obviously, as you guys know, please like, subscribe, comment, share. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I will definitely be back to do more. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!